what I wanted to do is make a, this isn't a faux candle, this is a real candle. So all I did was I kind of made a well under there, and I'm going to put a tea light in it because I don't want to use this as a real candle. So, but this is a real candle, and I'm gonna put this rice paper on here. This rice paper, I got this off of Etsy. It's from Pink Lake Studio, but it is just a fall color. It's just got pretty fall color leaves on it. So I am using this one. Get this all blinged out. Yeah, we're just going to make a little fall decor piece out of this. Anybody can do this. It's simple. We're going to use some of our blingy fall pieces on here. So I'm going to use my Silky Shine Pent Art Decoupage Varnish and Glue, only because it's a little thicker, and on this I just don't want it to slip around on me. I'm going to start this off. I'm going to do it in sections. Do this in sections. Make sure I stretch that out. Wow. If I can cut this straight. I may not be able to cut it straight. So I'll show you one over here that I've done too that alright, let's see. So here is, and what I'm gonna do, let's see if I can take a little of this off. Love the colors. So on this, we're gonna put some Bling Wrap on this. Let me see which color I want on here first. I think I'm gonna use, y'all, I want to say this is, you can use this rose gold, but I want to say this was my leftover Bling Wrap from, now I don't know if Totally Dazzled's going to bring this out again or not. Maybe I shouldn't be showing it, but I had this, and it is like a orangey, I don't even know what color that is, y'all. But it's real pretty. So, oh, you know what? I should have, this is okay. It's going to start at the back, but that's alright. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and put, so I'm using Fabri-Tac on this. I just don't want to burn my fingers or melt the candle, so I'm just going to use Fabri-Tac. It works great. So there we go. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty color. I love it. And again, I apologize if we're not bringing this back. I don't know. Okay, I cut my other piece here. So that's what we got so far, and then we're going to put, y'all, we're going to use these leaves. Yeah, these, I think I'm just going to glue these on because I think I'm just going to make sure I've got it. Yeah. So we're going to just use a little bit of, what's that going to hit? How cool is that? All right, y'all, look. How pretty is that? So, yes, get you some candles and this is so easy. Look. So, I'm just going to show y'all what it would look like. Like, you know, just a little bit of bling. All right, y'all, really, this is all I have, but this is a great idea just to start your fall decor. Just add another piece to your fall decor. Easy peasy. Anybody can do this. So.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.